Every publisher knows managing a website isn't easy. We want to help you better understand the language of the ad world by sharing all the terms you need to know. Let's start at the basics. Ad zone, the different places on a web page designated for ad placement. Those square boxes you see around that recipe you're reading? Yes, those. Ad provider, anyone or any entity that is buying an ad and providing the actual ad you see. Ad tag. Every ad comes from a snippet of code in your ad zone, which is called the ad tag. This code, written in the body or the sidebar of your site, tells the browsers, hey, I'm an ad. Viewability. Just like it sounds, it's the ability readers have to view an ad or how visible an ad is. To be considered viewable, it has to stay on the screen for at least 1 second. That's about this long. Video must be viewed for 2 seconds. This metric is super valuable for advertisers. Targeting, the way advertisers serve relevant ads that you or your readers might be interested in. And this leads to retargeting. Have you ever noticed how the last pair of cat PJs you bought on Amazon keep showing up as ads while you surf the internet? That's because advertisers serve ads to readers based on sites they've already been on or especially purchased from. They do this through cookies. Cookies are small data files that are stored on your computer that let websites know some of your browsing behavior. Okay, now that we know the basics, let's get into the types of ads you might use on your site. First, we have the classic banner ads. Image-based ads, usually 300 pixels wide by either 250 or 600 pixels tall, or 728 by 90 found at the top, bottom, or sidebar of your site. And interstitials. These are ads that simply overlay content. In-screen ads. These ads hang out at the bottom of your page and stay put while you're scrolling. They can typically be closed if the reader chooses. In-image ads are ads that appear at the bottom of an image, like this one. Inline ads are ads that are designed to appear within the content. These ads have a higher viewability and are usually better paying. Rich media ads. These types of ads are technologically advanced ads and can have some type of interaction if they're hovered over or clicked on. Native ads. Ads that are designed to look like the site they're on. Sometimes you don't even notice they're ads at all. It's like they're camouflaged. Shh. And then sometimes you have ads that look like your typical TV commercials. These are called video ads. Ads that play as video. They can be played as pre-roll before one of your videos, or they can play in a sidebar ad zone as an in-banner video. Most video ads don't have audio unless they're clicked on or interacted with. Outstream videos are video ads that magically appear within content as you scroll down a page. This video ad does not have audio and disappears when it finishes playing. Bye-bye! By adding ads on your site, you may think it might slow down your site. But almost all ad tags are asynchronous, meaning that your ads load independent of your content, so that your content can load before the ad is filled. Let's talk about what a frequency cap is. It's a cap that limits the number of ads a specific visitor sees from a specific advertisers in a specific period of time. Let's pretend you're on your site every 5 seconds every day. That would never happen, right? If this is you, you'll probably end up seeing the very lowest quality ads over time because you've already bulldozed all of the frequency caps for your site's advertisers. At this point, you are now scraping the bottom of the barrel for buyers who are willing to advertise to you for the 40th time today. Now, everything doesn't always go perfect in the ad world. There are things like malware, which is any type of code that just doesn't do what it's intended. Often it is trying to hijack the ad call or ad process. This is specifically called adware. These can make annoying ads pop up or redirect your users to a new site. It's an industry-wide plague and something that just doesn't have a 100% perfect solution yet. We're now moving on to the lingo that ad providers use when talking about monetizing your site. Impression. The potential an ad has to be seen by someone. That brings us to inventory, which is then the total of all the impressions that a website serves. When an ad impression is sold, it's bid on by ad providers in a digital auction. This auction is called a second price auction. It happens in real time, where the buyer who bids the highest for an impression wins, but pays the price of the second highest bidder plus 1 cent. Having your ad space bought creates revenue. That revenue can best be understood through some industry-specific terms. CTR is the click-through rate, which measures the number of people that clicked on an ad compared to just seeing the ad. CPC, a type of ad that is only paid for when it gets clicked on. CPM, the cost per 1,000 impressions for each ad on your site, or how much advertisers will pay to fill that ad. eCPM is how we like to effectively measure your CPM by not only giving you the highest CPM, but the highest fill rate. RPM, a key term to remember. Your RPM is your ad revenue per 1,000 page views. RPS is your revenue per session, which is the worth of a unique user visiting multiple pages. When ads are placed, bought, and sold, you begin to make money, which brings us to yield optimization. This is when you are making the most money possible for your impressions. This is what we do. Monumetric, a publisher network of people-focused, data-driven nerds who manage your ads so you don't have to. To find out how you can increase the ad revenue from your site, schedule a free site audit at monumetric.com/income-analysis. Thanks for watching.